All right, next one. The finance team works over and asks, for each order, what is the actual revenue after discount? And how much of the total is just shipping? Let us think. Each order in the orders table has a subtotal, a discount amount, a shipping fee, and a total amount. So the net revenue is the subtotal minus the discounts. And to see how big the shipping cost is relative to the total, we will divide shipping fee by total amount and then multiply by 100. The same idea for the discount percentage. So let's write the query. So I will just shift this down. Okay, so then I can write the columns. So what do we need here? Let's say we'll need our order ID, and then we need the subtotal, the discount amounts. Okay, and would like to see the shipping fee. What else? Now we want to check the net revenue. I would say the net revenue is going to be the subtotal, right? Minus the discount amount. And we can give this an alias. So we could call this as net revenue. Okay, so another thing we'd probably do is to include the total amount. Okay, so want to see the total amount. All right. Now we also ask for the shipping. Let's see what this is going to give us. So this is giving us we can see the total amount, we can see the net revenue we calculated. Now we want to see how much from this total is the shipping. Okay, so what's the value of the shipping cost from this total? So we'll just continue with this query. And to get that, we would say we want to see the shipping fee. All right. So because it's more like the percentage. So we want to see the shipping fee minus, okay, the shipping fee itself divided by this total amount. Okay. Now that is going to give us the percentage. But recall that we have to multiply this by 100, right? So I will just put this in brackets. And after dividing this, I want you to multiply it by 100. Okay. And recall how what we are going to get if we do that. We'll have like a lot of zeros or a lot of values after the decimal point. So we need to round this. Okay. So I would just include my round function. Okay. And just put the parentheses here, and I want it to be in two decimal places. Then I would call this shipping percentage. Shipping percentage. All right, so this is going to be an alias. So this is shipping percentage. Okay, now is that all? How about I want to see the discount percentage? Okay, so what is the percentage of discount from the subtotal, right? So how much this discount is a value itself, like 100 naira, 1000 naira. So what is a percentage discount? Okay, so I would still use the same method. So don't forget to put a comma, all right, since it's still continuing. So I would call this So this is going to be the discount amount that I'm going to use divided by the subtotal. Okay, and we'll multiply that by 100, just the same way we did this. So um, multiply by 100, and this is going to be in two decimal places, and this is going to be round. All right, and I would close this. I give it an alias, and I'll call this discount percentage, discount PCT. All right, so we have this. I could just continue by um filtering this or sorting this by using the order statement. Let's say this is going to be order by the discount percentage. All right, so I want to just see based on the highest discounted products, and I that's going to be descending order. And I just want to see maybe 10 of them. All right, so I will do a limit of 10. Now let's run this and see what we have. Okay, cool. So we could see that this has the highest discounted rates, this order ID. All right. So now we've seen these in action. So you've seen the pattern: subtraction to remove discounts, right? Divisions to create percentages. All right. So these are the kinds of numbers that show up on executive dashboards. And now you know they are built from basic subtraction and division.